Hi, my name is Jason Crabb. I'm the secondary ELA curriculum specialist for the Santa Ana Unified School District. And I want to share with you a new app that's within the Google Classroom that we can use to help our struggling readers. So, what you'll want to do is go to your Google Classroom, open your class, go to classwork, and you'll create an assignment. So when you go to create, you're going to see a bunch of different options. You're going to go ahead and click on assignment, and then down here below you'll see read along. This is a new product that comes with Google Classroom, and we can really use this to help our struggling readers with their fluency and practice for oral reading fluency. Now, this is created for elementary school students, so a lot of the texts are going to be rather elementary. But for example, if you have a student that's reading at a 600 Lexile, you can go in here and try to find a text that is a little bit more interesting to an adolescent reader. For example, All About National Yellowstone Park. You could try that one. And so you'll go through and you'll see it's 640 Lexile. It's typically for grades 2 to 3, but it could be interesting for a adolescent as well to read about the Yellowstone National Park. So I'm going to attach this, and then I'm going to look at the information over here, assign it to all students, yes, and fill out all this information, set your grading and points and all that. You can actually add the topic. Oral reading fluency is what I'll choose, and I'm just going to go ahead and assign it. So I've assigned it. I assigned this at another point and actually went in as a student and read it. So I'm going to show you what it looks like after a student has read it. There's one assigned here. Let's see. So one was turned in here. Okay, so this is a different text. So I'm going to review the work. This was already read. And so what you're going to see here is that this student had 100% accuracy. There were 156 words read correctly independently, 0 words read with in-app help, and 0 words incorrectly read. So the Lexile measures 320 Lexile, and for that particular text, 97% accuracy. So what's great is you get all this data for the student. 100% comprehension, 123 words per minute. I will say that the word count per minute is not extremely accurate because you have to click through different pages, for the text, so you don't have all the text on one page, especially with the texts that are for students who are younger. They chunk the text into smaller pieces, so it doesn't go as quickly. But the kids do get good practice, and they do have reading comprehension questions. So what you can see here is I've actually read 2 different texts here, and this gives a running record of the speed in which a student reads. So if you read for over a month and you have students read every single day, you're going to have a running record to show their progress over time and how quickly they read. And there's a direct relationship between the speed that a student reads and their reading comprehension. So we want to practice reading fluency with our struggling readers on a daily basis so they improve their rate of reading. And that's why we want to do this. So I highly encourage you to use this great new option for us. It's called Read Along in Google Classroom. It's something that we can do for 5 minutes a day and get great results with our kids and actually have good data to inform what they're doing well. But I think what I can do, I want to see if I can look at a different text here with you guys, because we have accuracy, progress, for example, but on this read, it was only 90 words per minute. It was a different text. So anyway, I hope this helps you, and give it a shot. Thank you.